Hello everyone, welcome to Dice Game Guide. I'm Peter from the Dice team. In this video, I will give you an introduction to the rules and gameplays of BlackJack on Dice platform. BlackJack is an American variant of a globally popular banking game, also known as 21. BlackJack on the Dice platform follows the traditional gameplay. You will play against the dealer. The winner is the party whose final card value is closer to 21. The value of cards 2 through 10 is their pip value. Jacks, queens, and kings are all worth 10. Aces can be worth 1 or 11. Both player and dealer are allowed to draw additional cards to improve their hands. A hand's value is the sum of all the card values. Here are some examples. Before the game starts, you are required to choose the bet amount, after which the system will deal 2 cards respectively to you and the dealer. The dealer receives the first card face up. Then you can double, hit, stand, etc. based on your hand's value at that time. If you choose hit, you will draw another card. In the process of hit, if your hand's value exceeds 21, it will be determined as bust. In this case, you will immediately lose the game and lose all the bet, regardless of how many points that dealer has. When your hand's value is exactly 21, or you suppose that the hand's value is close enough to 21, you can choose to stand, which will be followed by revealing the dealer's hand. Right now, if the dealer's value exceeds 17, the dealer must stand. Otherwise, the dealer must hit until the hand busts or achieves a value of 17 or higher. At this point, compare the final total between you and the dealer. If you have a total higher than the dealer or the dealer's hand exceeds 21, you will win the game and get the profit the same amount of your bet. If your total is less than the dealer's, you lose the game and your original bet. If you and the dealer have the same total, then it is determined as a push, and you can get back the bet amount without winning or losing the game. Now we will give you more advanced rules about BlackJack as below. BlackJack. If you receive 21 on the first or second card, it is considered a BlackJack, and you win immediately unless the dealer also has a BlackJack, in which case the hand ties. If you win by BlackJack, you can get a bonus of an additional 0.5 times the amount of the bet. Double. You are allowed to increase the initial bet by up to 100% in exchange for committing to stand after receiving exactly one more card. Split. If your first 2 cards are a pair, you can choose whether to split. If you choose to split, the system will automatically split the cards into 2 hands. You can play out the 2 separate hands in turn, and they will be compared with the dealer's total separately in the end, thus having 2 separate results. Insurance. If the dealer's up card is an ace, you are offered the option of taking insurance by paying more than half of the bet amount to buy insurance for betting whether the dealer's first 2 cards are a BlackJack. If they are not, the system will forfeit the insurance and continue the game. Otherwise, you lose the game and the insurance, but you can get back the original wager. Before playing BlackJack, you need to install the desktop version of Scatter on your computer. When playing on a mobile device, please make sure you're using the supported wallet. 1. Click the Login button and confirm the blockchain transaction. 2. Select the token and click on the Recharge button to recharge a certain amount of tokens for the game. 3. Select the chips that represent different amounts, make a bet, and click OK to start the game. 4. Select hit, stand, split, etc. according to your hand. 5. If you win in the end of the game, the winning bet will be paid. Otherwise, lose the bet amount if you fail. 6. After the game is over, you can click the withdraw button to withdraw the tokens won in the game. All gaming process is on blockchain and smart contracts to ensure fairness and to avoid cheating. Above are the rules and a brief introduction of Dice Game. If you have any ideas about the Dice project, you're welcome to join our Telegram or send emails to us and share with us. You can also follow us on Twitter and Medium for first-hand information about Dice. Please note that online gaming and lottery is an entertainment vehicle and carries with it a certain degree of financial risk. Players should be aware of this risk and govern themselves accordingly. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good luck and have fun.